Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ben Masters Premium Trading, and on my last video I talk about how to use the two top indicators, squeeze momentum indicator and the MACD indicator. So now I'm going to be talking about CM Williams VIX Fix Find Market Bottoms Indicator by Chris Moody on Tradingview. Now let's click on it. Yeah. So what it basically does is that it is used as a reversal indicator, as just to find market bottoms. That means if you are in a downtrend, it is going to tell you when the downtrend is going to stop and when it will start to go up, a potential reversal on the market. It is telling you a potential reversal on the market, just like you can see over here. This is on a downtrend, and it tells you on this candle over here that it is going to reverse very soon, that we are going to have a bottom line on the market very soon. So you can see over here that we have a reversal, that's an up, let me just say reversal on the market, not a trend, a reversal on the market. So we can just have a bottom on the market, and that's what this indicator basically tells you potential bottoms on the market, just like you can see over here on this candle, on this red candle. It tells you that it is going to reverse, and you have a bottom, and as you can see you have a surge upwards after that. And sorry, I did not tell you what these green bars mean. These green bars are telling you that you are going to have a bottom on the market soon, that we are going to have a bottom, that the market is potentially going to reverse. And this gray bars does not represent anything, just typically how the market works. It does not interpret any information. Don't take any trade on this gray bars. It does not mean anything. The only focus is just the green bars over here, this green bars over here. So that's the only information. And as you can see over here, it tells you that this is soon going to reverse. On this bullish candle, can also tell you when you have a top. So you can see that we have a downtrend over here. We have a downtrend over here. So that's how it basically works, guys. That's how it basically works. So if you haven't subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be giving you updates on how the indicator works. You can find your best indicator and just go with the flow with it. Subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Okay, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you.